welcome once again to our tutorial regarding OpenLMS. So this time, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the notification, yung mga emails na nare-receive natin in our emails or in our email account that is connected to or linked to our OpenLMS. Okay, so what to do and how to do it? You just simply have to go to your profile, My Courses, wherein ma-display yung iyong mga courses to which you are enrolled in. And then we go to Preferences. But before that, let me explain further. Okay, so if your email is connected to OpenLMS, whenever the student sends you a message, you will automatically be notified in your email. That means to say, you will also receive the same message in your email. Kasi nga connected yung email sa OpenLMS. So, minsan, uh, it's pestering us or we get annoyed by receiving so many emails that it floods our email already, our inbox. So, how do you turn that off? Before I suggested to a fellow faculty of mine that to change the dummy, to change the email into a dummy account. So I was also advised that it's not going to be okay to change it to a dummy account or a dummy email because what if OpenLMS sends a notification like an upgrade or advisory, something like that, or the site administration will also send some advisory. So you will not be able to receive one or an email because what you supplied in your email is email address that you specified in your OpenLMS account is a dummy one. So hindi tayo gagawa nun. We're not going to input a dummy email account in our OpenLMS na account. We can just simply turn the notification off. And how to do that? Okay, you go to your profile. Initially, ito yung makikita nyo after logging in. So go to My Courses. And here, as you can see in your profile dashboard, you can see Preferences. So go to Preferences. Okay. Alright, medyo mahina yung ating connection ngayon. And then go down, find message preferences in your user account. So these are editable. You can edit your profile here. You can change your password here. You can set your preferred language and your forum preferences. So you can do something here about and edit those that you like to be applied in your profile and in your courses. So for now, we will just turn off the notification in our emails or those messages we are receiving sa ating mga emails. So we just simply go to, again, under preferences. If you're right here, go to preferences, okay, that, and then find the message preferences, which is this one. Okay, you click on that, and then, okay, mahina yung response. Medyo mahina yung response. By the way, what I'm using right now is a dummy account, a teacher dummy account. I'm using this for demonstration purposes. So I don't have enrolled students that are real students. I also, I have one class here wherein meron din akong na-enroll na test student. Testing account naman yun. Or account naman yun na ginagamit ko to test sa student side. Okay, right here you can see privacy. You can restrict who can message you. So, my contacts only, those you have registered as contacts, sila lang makapag-message. My contacts and anyone in my courses, that means to say everyone in your course, those courses you're handling, so that includes the students. Now, right here, you can see notification preferences. So, activity stream, we can receive that via the OpenLMS mismo. Now, the email is this one. So, for the email, if you turn that off, if you slide the yes that button to the left, then you will not be receiving any notifications from OpenLMS anymore in your email. So yun lang, ganun lang po kasimple. You just go to preferences from your dashboard, and then in that page, find message preferences and then turn it off, turn the email notification preferences off, and you're done. So that's how simple and easy it is. Okay? And so we're done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.